my channel. It's your girl Trish. If it's your first time here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what videos you guys would love to see me do next. For today's video, I wanted to do a dark smoky eye, but I wanted to add a pop of gold to it. So this is what I came up with. If you guys want to see how I get this look, then please keep on watching. As usual, you guys, we are going to start out with the brows, and I am not going to go into detail of every little thing that I use because I do have a brow tutorial that I filmed recently, and I will be linking that in the description box for you guys if you want to check it out. But yeah, as usual, I am just starting with my brows, and then we are going to go ahead and get into the eyes. Now I'm just cleaning up the brows, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. And I'm just going to take that to clean the brows up just so I can have them looking sharp and crisp. To prime my lids, I'm taking my Plouise Beige shade in the color Rumour 2. And I'm just going to blend that out with a fluffy brush onto my lid, and then we are going to go ahead and get started on the shadow placement. Now I'm just taking that black shadow from the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette, and I'm kind of just mapping out where I want my cut crease to be, and I'm using that on a flat shader brush, and I kind of just pack the shadow into my lid, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with a deep brown shadow. Now to cut the crease, I am taking my Plouise cut crease brush, and this is their 7072 brush, I believe, and I'm using that along with the Plouise Beige shade in Rumour 2, and I'm just using that to cut my crease, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend those shadows on the outer V just to have a flawless blend into the concealer. And after we get that done, I am going to go ahead and I am going to set that lid space with a gold shadow from, I don't remember what palette I got it from, but anyways, it's just a gold shimmer shadow. I used it to set my lid, and I also did a liner, and then I went ahead and I added some gold glitter to where I have that gold shadow put down. I'm just taking a black liner, just a tight line, because I do want that dark smoky look without any spaces through my lashes when I put those on. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye, and then we'll be right back. Of course, we are priming the face, and for that I am taking my E.L.F. Luminous Putty Primer, and this is so good. Like, I love this primer. It actually really helps with my skin looking dewy and flawless after I get my foundation on. And for foundation, I use my MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC50. I am using my E.L.F. Total Face Sponge just to blend that foundation into my skin. And now I am just going to go ahead and highlight pretty much everywhere I want highlighted. And I am using my E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And this is in the shade Medium Beige. And that sponge is damp, which is how I use it. I mean, you can use it dry if you choose to, but I like to use it damp just to blend those products out. Now I'm just using my Marcelle translucent powder, and I'm using that to set all the places I highlighted, and then I'm gonna go ahead with my Maybelline Fit Me powder and 355 coconut just to set the rest of my face. Of course, we're gonna bronze, and for that I am using my Black Radiance True Complexion palette, and I am using the deepest shade from that palette with just a dab of the medium shade just to contour the outer perimeter of my face and my nose. I've really been loving this blush from MAC. It's their Extra Dimension blush, and this is in the shade Cheeky Bits. I think it's so pretty and it's shimmering, and I am not a fan of shimmery products, but I think it's so pretty in the skin. I love it. Definitely something you guys have to try. Just going ahead, and I'm gonna clean up my nose contour and my cheeks, and I'm taking a fluffy brush just to brush that powder away. And of course we're going to set the face using my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and then I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the eyes. I've been keeping it pretty simple with the lips. Again, I am just going to be taking my NYX lip liner in Nutmeg and my Juvia's Place lip gloss in Petty Betty. And there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what videos you'd love to see me do next.